Welcome to Stay Quizzin'. 10 seconds. One word. Can you guess the school subject from just emojis, or will you miss it? Before we drop it, hit that subscribe button. You ready? Let's go. What subject do these symbols remind you of? The answer is mathematics, the study of numbers, shapes, and patterns. Which subject do these emojis represent? The answer is science, where we study the natural world. Take a guess, what subject is shown here? The answer is physics, the study of motion, energy, and forces. What school subject could this be? The answer is chemistry, the study of substances and how they interact. Guess the subject based on these clues. The answer is biology, the study of living things. What class might use these emojis? The answer is English, focused on reading and writing skills. Which creative subject fits these emojis? The answer is art, where you express yourself creatively. What does this set of emojis suggest? The answer is drama, the art of performance and theater. These icons hint at which academic subject? The answer is history, the study of the past. Which subject matches this emoji combo? The answer is geography, the study of Earth and places. What school subject could this be? The answer is computer science, the study of computers and programming. Which subject do these symbols represent? The answer is music, the art of sound and rhythm. What subject is all about movement and sports? The answer is physical education, focusing on exercise and fitness. Guess the subject from these clues. The answer is economics, the study of money, trade, and resources. Which subject studies laws and government? The answer is civics, the study of rights, duties, and government systems. Which subject involves making and building things? The answer is engineering, the application of science and math to design and build. Guess the subject from these symbols. The answer is geometry, the branch of math dealing with shapes and spaces. Which subject is about space and beyond? The answer is astronomy, the study of stars, planets, and the universe. What subject focuses on creative writing? The answer is literature, the study of written works and storytelling. Which subject teaches about healthy eating? The answer is nutrition, the study of food and how it affects health. Which subject studies natural disasters? The answer is earth science, the study of Earth's processes and systems. Which subject focuses on ancient cultures? The answer is archaeology, the study of human history through artifacts. Which subject teaches about mindfulness and well-being? The answer is philosophy, the study of thinking, ethics, and existence. Which subject is about designing clothes? The answer is fashion design, the art of creating clothing and accessories. Which subject is about speaking and media? The answer is communication studies, the study of human interaction and media. Which subject deals with data and statistics? The answer is statistics, the science of collecting and analyzing data. Which subject is about the outdoors and survival? The answer is environmental studies, the science of nature and conservation. Which branch of mathematics is this? The answer is algebra, a branch of mathematics using symbols and letters. Which subject focuses on health and fitness? The answer is health education, learning how to stay healthy and fit. Which subject is about capturing images? The answer is photography, the art and science of taking pictures. Which subject explores art, culture, and history together? The answer is humanities, studying human culture, history, and art. Which subject studies government systems, political behavior, and public policies? The answer is political science, the study of government systems, political behavior, and policies. Congratulations! You completed the quiz with a perfect score. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes and challenges.